Rice is a tiny grain, but it carries behind it a comprehensive history and significance. Surveys conducted during my explorations helped me analyze that rice is a staple for a majority of the population who relish this meal at least once a week. It is this wide use of rice that contributed to its importance in various rituals and added to its symbolic significance. The use of rice during the Vidai ceremony in the wedding to bless the bride with fertility still continues till this day and proves that this grain continues to be a very important part of our socio religious cultures, carrying with itself various positive associations. However, some more valent associations about the grain also continues to prevail. Rice, for a large part in history, was a major contributor to class and caste differences. The lack of knowledge about rice production by the colonizers who wanted to cultivate this crop in their own homeland gave rise to slavery. The belief that one should not eat rice when having a cold emerged from the ancient myth that a crop grown in water will cool down your body. These myths prevail till this day, and this leads me to believe that many of these myths prevail due to the traditional beliefs and lack of scientific knowledge. Science had a major impact on the production of rice. The high failure rate of the rice crop has been curbed with the help of technologies such as HYV seeds and irrigation, emphasizing on the fact that with the improvement of technology, the relative influence of natural phenomenon is reduced. Production of rice, however, is still a very complex and complicated process, lasting over 4 months and standing as a symbol of growth, change, and patience, which inspires me to incorporate these qualities in my life. Differences in the chemical structure of rice grain informs differences in its qualities. One of these differences is the stickiness of rice, which can be analyzed through an iodine test. The color change of the yellow iodine to a dark blue indicated that white and brown rice has a medium starch content and thus can hold its structure. Red and black rice, on the other hand, turn the iodine to a black, indicating a very high starch content, which makes it sticky. Surveys conducted prove that a majority of the population prefers white rice even though it is the least nutritive. It is preferred due to its delicate taste, easy digestibility, and availability. It is also very easy to cook. In contrast, black and red rice contains high levels of antioxidant but are expensive, difficult to procure and cook. This was proved during my cooking experiment where white rice took 15 minutes to cook while black and red rice took more than 40 minutes. Considering these factors, it is understandable why someone would prefer white rice over these variety considering the relative advantages and disadvantages of both. However, I as a creative person am not afraid of this longer path. The satisfaction I got after observing black and red rice, two varieties that were alien to me, was much more valuable than the time spent on making it, and this is true for all the creative expressions I undertake. These different varieties of rice gives rise to different dishes as well as cooking methods and even many byproducts. I was able to understand that most of the byproducts of rice emerge from the human need to utilize the maximum of what they have. However, not everything about rice is all biryani and kheer. It is the most environmentally polluting crop due to the high levels of chemicals and irrigation used. However, considering the growing demand of the population, it is unlikely that we can expect any change from this sector in the coming years. In the end, each grain of rice has its own texture, which can be like a silky bedsheet or rough like an unpolished wood. Its own shape, reminding me of tall and short buildings. Its own color, which is deep and rich like a brick wall or dull like a whitewashed one. Its geometry, reminding me of beautiful chandeliers. Every grain of rice is different. No two grains are the same, and that is what makes this grain so unique.